my name is Erica with the Paper Issues Design Team. Should anything inspire you from today's video, hop in the store for a 20% discount using code WORDLUCKY. Hi everyone, I'm back today with Sketch Wednesday, and we have Miss Melanie's beautiful sketch in the upper right hand corner. I will be using Heidi Swapp's Carefree collection today, and I'm using this gray sheet as my mat. However, I did slice out a banner first because that will come into play in a little bit. So I am sticking with the same basic envelope shape of the sketch and using the pink for the top portion and the gray for the bottom portion. And basically what I did is I just measured both pieces and took my ruler to create that envelope shape. Now I'm swinging by my brother's sewing machine and I found this gorgeous dark turquoise thread. And I'm just stitching straight stitches all around both pieces, and I did distress the edges as well. I've been really digging this look lately. I'm taking the stencil from CB Art, and I figured bricks kind of remind me of, the first day of school or a school building, so figured I'd add that on. Nothing too dramatic, just a little bit to help differentiate between the gray in the banner and the gray in the background. And a technique I've been doing lately, although some may frown upon it, whenever I stencil large areas, I just rub the ink pad directly onto the stencil itself, rather than having to keep dipping my brush into the ink pad and then swirling it on the stencil, if that makes sense. It's just a big time saver, so I definitely recommend it. Now, I have this Kaisercraft stamp that I dipped in some gold ink, just for a little bit of different texture. I absolutely love how it's turning out. Now I have my first cut file that says First Day Vibes. All cut files are free in our store, by the way. And I backed it with vellum, and then I actually went back in and stamped it with Stays On, just with stars and little phrases that say, "You got this," "You're gonna rock it," things like that. And I like the mixed media so much on the bottom that I actually did the same thing on the top. And I have my 3 little photos there of my kiddo. This was actually last year, on her first day of preschool. And I have my second cut file that I'm going to adhere at the top of the page, the autumn leaf cut file. And I used the ombre sheet that came in the paper pack. And I'm arranging it in the order of ombre color, I guess, just to keep a smooth flow of array of colors. And I'm using both the outline of the leaves as well as the inside of the leaves just to keep things fun. And I did take this branding strip as well because I felt like it really helped tie in the darker teals from the top and pull it down towards the bottom. There were these cute little flowers in the sticker pack that I mounted with foam adhesive, and I thought that it was a really great way to kind of just signify that we're in the transition between summer and fall. And lastly, I typed up my journaling, and I am putting it on these little tags, again in ombre order, to stay with the page's theme, all talking about her first day, how she was so excited. She was a little bit shy, but of course, right when it came time to color at the table, just like all the other kids were doing, she actually just started coloring her face and her hands, and she still does it to this day. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!